Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove devices from Netflix. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply remove devices from your Netflix, you need to simply first of all get access to your Netflix. Once you have gotten access to your Netflix, you need to go and tap open your account page. Once you are there, you need to get into the page called Manage Access and Devices to sign out specific devices or choose Sign Out All Devices for a full reset. Once you simply do it, this action requires logging into a web browser or mobile app and immediately connects the chosen devices, often requiring a password change for security. So if you want to do this, you can simply remove your devices from your Netflix. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.